So when a noun ends with F, we often change F to V and add ES. Chef, chef, no, not on the topic of chefs. Calf, calves, loaf, loaves, shelf, shelves, thief, thieves, wolf, wolves. So hand, next. mm, but not on all cases we when a noun end with F we should add VES. We add S in the plural form to the form of plural.
Okay, okay.
For example, chef, chefs, chief, chiefs, handkerchief, handkerchiefs, roof, roofs. Yeah, cliff, cliffs.
Yeah, I have finished up to wolf. That's all, no?
Yeah. So the
Can I
next,
write the next one also F and S?
yeah, often nouns that
Okay.
end in F just need to add S. In
Okay.
some cases, we can only add S. No need of, not VES.
Okay. I've written the same also. Huh?
Yeah.
Shall I write down one also? Hoop, scarf,
Yeah,
scarf.
yeah.
Okay. Okay.
You can write it down. When some word that ends with F, the plural can be spelled in two different ways. Dwarfs, like DWARS, dwarfs, or DWARVES, doves.
Yeah.
Scarves, scarves, both.
Okay, then last one, knife, news, life, wife.
Yeah. With some words that end
Hello.
in
Okay.
you change F to V and add S. Like knife, knives, life, lives, wife, wives. But you only add S to giraffe to form plural, to form the plural form. Giraffes, you will not say GR,
Yeah.
GIRA,
Okay.
FFE, VES. That will not, FFVES will not put that. FFES, like that.
Okay. Okay. But any reason for particular reason for that? Any reason why
Yeah.
only giraffe? Why only giraffe needs S, not ES?
Specific, I'm not sure about that. I'll let you know about this.
I think because it's only spelling is spelling last is E. That's why only S is needed. I think
Maybe
spelling itself
I'll
coming E.
confirm
No.
this. I'll confirm you. I'll let
Okay.
you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Informing you wrong is better than confirming and informing. No.
Okay. Okay. I will write down that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Done.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Done.
Okay. So the next part. Oh, this is very huge topic. They have specified for each and every noun. If a noun ends in O, you just need to add S. Rhino, rhinos. Kangaroo, kangaroos. Hippo, hippos. A video, videos. Zoo, zoos. But when some nouns that end in O, you add ES to form plural. Flamingo, flamingos. Tomato, tomatoes. Potato, potatoes. Hero, heroes. Yeah, Suchitra, you bored of this?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You bored of this topic?
It means no. Again, my question is same. Why ES? What is the reason? What is the logic behind that?
Yeah, yeah, that's very. I mean, what to say? It's very weird, and this language is very weird. First of all, we'll
Yeah.
see.
Yeah.
I'll explain you what is the reason.
Okay, no problem. Shall I write this?
Yeah, just write not a whole. You can write any small
Can
example. That's fine. Just to make you understand.
okay. Can you, yeah? Can you go up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Suchitra, there is no as such rules for this. Okay.
Yeah.
There is no as such rules why. I mean, there is no specific answer for this why. It's all depend upon the consonant and vowels. Yeah. In keys, when the second last letter ends, I mean second letter is vowel, so we use S for the plural form.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that is the main consonant and vowels are basically the, I mean, what we see, but still there is no specific justification for this. Okay.
Okay. Like yesterday we saw that umbrella and university. University
Yeah.
was, for pronouncing it was coming Y. So
Yeah.
A. Yeah.
Yeah.
And umbrella means A was coming, so only N. Like
Yeah.
that I was asking.
So that is, I mean, that is nothing specific why like this or why this. Still, I will have a research on this. If I get any explanation, I'll definitely share with you. If anything more that I can help you out to understand, I mean, the difference. Let's not get confused now. Yeah?
Yeah, right. Yeah, done.
Yeah. So, but some nouns that end in O, you add ES to form plural. Flamingo, flamingos, tomato, tomatoes, mango, mangoes. See, both they have written. A mango, mangoes, MANGOS. They have written both, but we always follow MANGOES. We follow this.
Yeah, right.
Mosquito, mosquito, zero zeros, buffalo, buffaloes. If you need, I mean,
I think better to write down this, huh?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, done.
Great. Okay. Uh-oh, more to go.
No problem.
Can we continue?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Some plural forms doesn't follow the S rule. They doesn't ends in S, ES, IES, or VES. Instead, the word changed completely. Yeah.
Yeah. But this is easy to understand because there are only few words like this.
Yeah. that was actually very. If you want, I'll share that pages. Just give me a reminder. I'll send you personally. That's all. Okay.
Okay.
We all have completed these courses in school also, but still now when it comes to again when we come to learn, we are like, "Arey, ye padha tha kya aisa?" We tend to say that.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, in English language also, there
So
is
you
no
will send this
specific.
page later on, no?
Yeah. Sorry.
You will send this page later on, or shall I
I
write
will
down
send.
now?
I will send
You
you
will send
personally.
this
I'll send.
page
I'll not
later on,
share
or
in the
shall I
group.
write down now?
Uh,
This page?
no need of writing. I'll share this also. The
Okay.
complete Google form I will send you.
Okay. No issue. Okay.
Yeah, personally I'll send.
Okay.
Yeah. So some plural. So the word changes completely. For example, mouse. When it comes to one more than one, so we say mice. For goose, we say geese. Child, children, man, men, ox, oxen, tooth, teeth, woman, foot, feet. So the plural of mouse that you use with your computer is either mice or mouse. We probably say mouse for
Yeah.
the computer one. Yeah.
Yeah.
So some plural nouns are the same and the singular. Okay. Yeah. Even in some cases, just a moment.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry. In some nouns, the singular and plural both are same. Like sheep, sheep.
Yeah.
Reindeer, reindeer. We will not say reindeers. Fish, fish. Bison, bison. Deer, deer. Yeah, you can use fishes as the plural of fish when you are talking about different kinds of fish. All the fishes of Pacific Ocean. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just covering it. I mean, मैं जरा भगा रही हूँ.
Yeah.
Some nouns are always plural, binoculars, goggles. Yeah, that is true. We never say pant. We say pants. Scissors बोलते हम scissor नहीं बोलते, right? Pajamas बोलते pajama नहीं बोलते.
Yeah.
Sneakers, shorts, short नहीं बोलेंगे ना, shorts पहन रहा है. Slippers पहन रहा है, trousers पहन रहा है, stockings, sandals, glasses. A pair of binoculars, ऐसा बोलते हैं. A pair of binoculars, a pair of spectacles, a pair of goggles, a pair of jeans, a pair of shorts, a pair of gloves, a pair of shoes.
Yeah.
Look at the word below. Do you know which ones are singular and which are plural? Okay. So just to identify which is plural and which is singular. Word
Singular.
is singular. Pencils plural.
Plural.
Books plural.
Plural. Fan
Yeah,
singular.
fan.
Hat singular.
Yeah.
For children, plural.
Yeah.
Kites, plural. People, singular,
People.
I think.
Will never.
Crab, singular. Foxes, plural.
Yeah. Crab singular. Fox is singular. Yeah. So new we add SES to the singular noun. Desk, desks. Class, classes.
Yeah.
Comb, combs. Mug, mugs. Bus, buses.
Buses. Basket, baskets.
Yeah.
Peach, peaches.
Peaches.
Yes. Belt, belts.
Yeah.
Yes. Taxi, taxis.
Boxes.
Yes. Boxes.
I'll share this also exercise so you can do it. मतलब घर पे कर लेना एक बार ऐसे ही भगा के.
Yeah. Sure.
Oh, finally we completed. Took 2 days to complete singular and plural. सोच लो कितना ये है उसमें.
Yeah.
Vast topic. Okay, so collective nouns are words for group of people, animals, or things. These are nouns for groups of people. Okay. A family. Yeah, there is a group. Family, 4, 5 people in a family. So we call this a family. Yeah. A crew.
Yeah.
An orchestra. An audience. A band. A gang. A group. A chair. Choir, sorry. A team. A class. These all are collective nouns. Yeah, many collective nouns can be used with a singular or
Yeah, yeah.
plural verb. My family was happy to see me. Oh, my family were happy to see me. Okay, we can use both. Was, were, दोनों भी use कर सकते हैं.
Yeah. Now this is the main. Was, where, can, could,
Yeah,
would.
yeah,
This is very important.
yeah. But the following collective nouns
But
are always taken
actually,
as
was means treated as singular, and where means plural. Actually,
yeah.
right?
But my family was happy to see me. Both are correct. My family were happy to see me. Both we can use.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. But the following collective
Yeah, yeah,
nouns always taken as a plural verb. People is always a plural. See,
yeah, yeah,
understood? Cattle is always a plural. The police is always a plural.
yeah, yeah. Kettle. Yeah, yeah,
Okay, here are more collective nouns that are used for group of people, animals or things. A brood of chickens. Okay, वो group को बोलते हैं. Okay.
yeah, yeah. Normally we say group of chicken or bunch of
Yeah,
chicken.
brood. Yeah, bunch of chickens नहीं. Brood of chickens. A band of musician. Yeah, of course हम वही बोलते
I heard this first time. Brood.
Yeah, brood बोलते हैं. Yeah, I was aware of this. A school of fish. वो बोलते हैं. I
Yeah, yeah.
remember.
First time I heard this brood word.
हाँ. A team of player. A flight of steps. It's a flight of steps.
Yeah.
A bunch of keys. A class of peoples. A collection of books. A deck of cards. A fleet of ships. A flock of sheep. देखा? Sheeps नहीं बोलते हैं. Sheep. A gaggle of geese. Goose है ना? Goose का group. Geese. Plural. A gang of robbers. A herd of cattle. A litter of cubs. A pod of whales. A pack of wolves. A pride of lion. देखा? A pride of lion. Lions का group. Pride बोलते हैं उनको.
Yeah, yeah.
A set of stamps.
Yeah.
A swarm of bees. A troop of actors. A troop of actors. Yeah.
Not a group. Troop.
Troop. Yeah. Troop of actors. Farmer John had several different kinds of animals on his farm. Write the correct collective noun from each group of animals. Okay. So a dash of geese. What it was? A gaggle of geese. Here. Yeah, Suchitra?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, a dash of sheep. A flock of sheep.
Sheep. Yeah.
A dash of cattle. A herd of cattle.
Yeah. Yeah.
A dash of horses. I think horses का इधर नहीं है.
Yeah. It's not there.
Yeah. Wait.
Yeah.
If I'm not wrong. A stable of horses. A herd of horses. A stable.
Okay. A herd of stable.
Yeah, or a stable. Yeah. One day, a dash of what is this? I don't know what is coyotes. Coyotes. I don't know what is it. Just let me check what is coyotes. Oh, it is a species of some kind of fox type. So we will say.
Okay.
Yeah, coyotes. I don't know the pronunciation also. Let me check the pronunciation. How to pronounce it. I'm hearing this for first time.
Yeah.
Coyote is a species of canine native to North America. I'll open the camera and let you know what is it.
Yeah.
See, ऐसा कुछ कैमरा किधर? ऐसा कुछ चीज को coyote बोलते हैं.
It's one type of animal, means simply.
Yeah.
Looks like fox.
Yeah, wolf, wolf का जैसा. So for that, I think मुझे लगता है कि उसका भी कुछ यही रहेगा.
a pack of wolves.
हाँ,
Pack
मुझे
of
भी लग रहा है
wolves.
पैक ऑफ वुल्स ही रहेगा.
Like that.
या वही रहेगा.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Collective noun for. I'll just check collective noun for. Collective noun. This is something new. Yeah, pack, a band, a train. ऐसा सब भी यूज किया है. A pack is correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, masculine and feminine. That is very simple. Bride, groom, roaster, hen, lion, lioness, king, queen. This is nothing to teach. Boy, girl, man. ये सब easy है. यहाँ पे एक लिस्ट है जो मैस्कुलिन और फेमिनाइन, एक्टर, एक्ट्रेस, ब्रदर, सिस्टर, एम्परर, एम्प्रेस. ये शायद नहीं मालूम रहेगा. एम्परर, एम्प्रेस, फादर, मदर, जेंटलमैन, लेडी, ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रैंडमदर, ग्रैंडसन, anything, nephew, niece, prince, princess, son, daughter.
This is wizard and a witch. The new one, wizard and a witch.
Yeah.
Last one, wizard.
Wizard, witch. Yeah, wizard and witch. That is very. I mean, that is nothing to. I mean, teach and all. You can just have a look. If you want, you can just have a look on this.
Yeah, I already saw. But you're saying without fill this everything together, huh? All this will write down.
Yeah.
Later on.
Yeah. For animal also, chicken, rooster, hen, cattle, bull, cow, deer. For deer, you see male is buck, female is doe.
Doe, yeah.
For donkey, male is Jack, female is Jenny. Wow. For duck, it's male
name.
is Drake.
By name, yeah. By name you can.
Yeah. For male it's called Drake. For female it's called duck. For fox, the male is called fox, female is called vixen. For goose, for male we say gander, or for the female it is goose. Horse, stallion, and mare. Yeah, I know this. I was not aware of donkey and duck and all. For lion, lioness.
I also
sheep. For sheep we say ram, and for female we say eve. Tiger, tigress.
It's new. Totally new.
This is also new here. Many nouns are used for both females and, of course, doctor, dancer, scientist, hairdressers, accountants, parents, common gender. Words for the things are neither male or female. Of course, that is called neuter noun. Yeah. Bench, leaves, fire. I mean, this is not male or female. Of course, that is a neuter noun. I mean, the things are called neuter noun.
Yeah.
Just fill in the blanks with the current masculine and female noun. Master, miss. Master, miss. Right?
Yes, okay. Yeah.
Let me check. Master is miss only. I mean, yeah, mistress. Sorry, mistress.
Yeah.
Uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, lion, lioness. You really want this to be completed? Sir, madam,
No.
father,
Like
mother,
just tell me, I will complete that. Yeah. Husband, wife, son, daughter.
Yeah. The host and the dash welcomed their guest. The host and the dash welcomed their. What they want? Fill in each blank with a suitable masculine or feminine noun. The host and the dash welcomed their guest.
Just give me for homework.
Yeah. The steward and the dash.
Yes, because steward and that look after the passenger on the plane. Steward and the crew.
Okay. I mean the host and the hostess. I mean you want that. Okay, feminine and masculine Steward, stewardess, uncle, aunt, like that they want. Okay.
Yeah, king and the queen had 2 children. Okay, okay.
Yeah. Oh. Pronoun. We'll complete this also, and tomorrow we'll take pronouns. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Look at the word in the box. Write each word under its correct. Okay. So children would come under common
Okay.
gender.
Yeah,
Son,
common gender.
neuter.
Yeah, son neuter. Neither masculine nor feminine. Okay,
Which
yeah. With feminine.
feminine.
No. Which
Which
yes,
is feminine.
Yeah,
Wizard
feminine.
is
Yeah. No,
masculine.
actually wizard is masculine. Yeah, correct. Which is feminine.
Where is that? See him.
Yeah.
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 Ching. King, masculine. Boy, Suchitra.
Boy, common gender.
Masculine.
No, only boy. No, you don't have name. No, boy means.
So masculine. Boy. Daughter, girl would be feminine. Children is common gender.
Yeah. Okay.
Got confused.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah, got it.
It's okay. Son.
Son masculine.
Yeah. Father, masculine.
Masculine.
Girl.
Feminine.
Yeah. Mother.
Feminine.
Yeah. Queen.
Feminine.
File.
Neutral.
Yeah. Neuter.
Sure, neuter.
Teacher.
Common gender.
Yeah. Lamp. LAMP.
Lamp. I think. LAMP. Lamp. I think it's common gender, no?
No, it's not that one. It's not LAMB. It's LAMP. Lamp. Neuter. Diya. लैम्प दिया होता है ना
ओके
हाँ मुझे लगा कि आप वो एनिमल का सोच रहे थे करके या डॉक्टर
masculine no you can say
common
yeah doctor every can be doctor lady or gent yeah
female male दोनों होते हैं ना dancer
yeah common gender
या wizard
masculine
wizard हाँ yes ram
what is the ram
मैं बोलती हूँ
yeah
वो sheep का था ना किधर चला गया वो sheep ram eve समझा नहीं हमको
नो विज राम
शीप का मेल जो है उसको रैम बोलते हैं और फीमेल का ईव बोलते हैं
okay, तो फेमिनिन हो गया वो
हाँ नहीं रैम मेल है
या
समझा आपको कुछ कंफ्यूजन
नहीं समझ गई
हाँ ओके रूस्टर
को देखना पड़ेगा
हाँ एक मिनट ये रहा
ये चिकन का रूस्टर ना रूस्टर Just go down then.
क्या हो गया
Just go down.
Yeah. Rooster masculine में आता है. I don't know what is
eve. Masculine.
Eve. I don't know what is eve. कुछ animal है कि क्या है मुझे नहीं आइडिया. Eve क्या है?
Okay.
मैं वही check कर रही हूँ कि what is eve. This is the time of supernatural being. It's a supernatural being. So I think it would come under common gender.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Fish.
Fishes are coming, no? I think it's common gender only.
Common gender. Common.
Yeah, common gender.
Yeah. Tomorrow we'll start with pronoun.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I told Mahindra to read and give me every day.
Yeah.